So the overhead lights are something you never think about because you never look at them, but my overhead lights, I had two of them out, so the light bulbs look pretty good. I checked them out first, and this one doesn't seem to be burned out, so I think it's the electrical contact. So I'm going to just spray some contact cleaner in there and see how it works. So I got it to work. The dielectric grease and electrical contact cleaner worked, and cleaned up the base of the bulb nicely, and it should be good for a few more miles.